Very good morning, my dear student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a science teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajada. Student, today's topic heating effect of electric current from the chapter number 12 electricity of class 10th science based on NCERT book. Okay, student, today's topic heat. What is the mean of the heat? Heat represented by the delta H or H. Okay, student. For example, let we consider this is a insulating copper wire of length capital L, and this part will be equal of small l and connect by the any external battery with the positive and negative end. Due to flow of current, some type of the heat produced across the resistance. Heat basically depends on three things. First one, the amount of current. Second one, value of resistance and total time duration. ओके स्टूडेंट, जब भी हम कभी भी हीट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे तो आप ध्यान से देखिए, हीट बेसिकली डिपेंड्स ऑन द थ्री थिंग्स. फर्स्ट वन, the amount of current. Second one, value of resistance. And third one, time duration. Okay student, another example, let we consider this is a label diagram of any cell. That means a dry cell, Daniell cell, Lagrange cell, any type of cell. Let we consider this is a positive electrode and this is a negative electrode. We used a electrolysis in the form of the CuSO4 copper sulfate. You know that very well. Under the chemistry portion, copper sulfate decompose in the form of copper positive ion and sulfate negative ion. Copper positive and sulfate negative. Due to positive ion of copper moves towards in the direction of negative electrode and negative ion moves towards in the direction of positive electrode. ये इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती है. पॉजिटिव attract by the negative and negative attract by the positive. So positive ion attract by the negative electrode and negative ion attract by the positive electrode. Okay student, after some time interval, that means a delta t. delta t के बाद देखिए, when any conducting wire connect between the positive and negative terminal, we getting the some type of the current passing from positive to negative outside of battery and inside of battery negative to positive in the form of electron. These phenomena defined हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. क्यों सर? जितनी देर तक ये बैटरी चलेगी तो हम यहाँ पर कुछ गर्मी देखते हैं, हीट विच डिफाइंड बाय द डेल्टा एच एंड इट्स ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड. सेकेंड वन, अमाउंट ऑफ करंट एंड थर्ड वन, टोटल टाइम इंटरवल. दैट मीन्स वी कैन से heat depends on three things. First one is the resistance, second one is the current and third one is the time. Okay students, so under the portion of chapter number 12, the definition of heat, first one, heat is a directly proportional of square of amount of current. Okay student, the value of amount of heat is a directly proportional of the square of amount of current. Second one, the value of heat. What is the mean of the I? What is the mean of the R? What is the mean of the T? Let we consider a insulating copper wire which directly connect with the positive and negative terminal of any external source, any external battery. Okay student, let us consider total amount of current will be equal of capital I. And what is the mean of the V? V, that means a voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device which used to determine the value of potential. Okay student, जैसे ही यहाँ से करंट प्रोड्यूस होगा तो एक पोटेंशियल डेवलप होगा. पोटेंशियल दैट मीन्स V. पोटेंशियल को ही हम हीट के फॉर्म में कंज्यूम करेंगे, दैट मीन्स डेल्टा H. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो हियर फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन, the value of H is a directly proportional of the square of current. Second one, the value of heat is a directly proportional of amount of resistance. Third one, the value of heat is a directly proportional of total time for which the current flow through the resistor. Okay students, so by use of the equation number first, equation number second and equation number third, by use of the equation number first, second, third, we can say H directly proportional I square RT, I square RT proportional replaced by any constant capital K such that H equal to K into I square RT. Let us K will be equal of 1 unit such that H equal to I square RT. ओके स्टूडेंट, इससे ये पता चला है amount of current will be increased. As a result, H will be increased. When resistance will be increased, H will be increased. When time will be increased, H will be increased. Okay student, this is a final result. आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि हमको 10th में कितना लिखना, तो सबसे पहले देखिए स्टूडेंट डायग्राम, देन एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ डायग्राम, एंड थर्ड वन 3 equations, and finally we getting H will be equal of I square RT. This is a final result for heating effect of electric current. Okay student, now we taking the some numerical related to this concept. According to the concept of the demand of the numerical 100 joule. What is the meaning of the joule? Joule, that means a SI unit of heat, H equal to 100 joule, and each second time will be equal of 1 second, and 4 ohm. What is the meaning of the ohm? Ohm, that means value of resistance. Okay student, we have to calculate the value of potential. Okay student, ध्यान से देखिए, the value of potential, that means we have to calculate the value of V by according to Ohm's law. V is a directly proportional of I. V proportional replaced by any constant capital R. What is the meaning of the R? R, that means a resistance. So V will be equal of IR. Student, मुझे यहाँ से क्या निकालना है? V, and we know that very well V depends on product between the I and R. तो मुझे क्या चाहिए? I और R दोनों चाहिए, बट यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में मेरे पास कहीं से भी I है क्या? नहीं है, मेरे पास सिर्फ कितना है? R है। तो मैं यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ, since we know that very well H equal to I square RT. Okay student, H, that means 100 joule will be equal of I. I is a unknown quantity, and R will be equal of 4, and time will be equal of 1. Okay student, ध्यान से देखिए, we have to calculate the value of potential, and potential will be equal of IR. कितना चाहिए मुझे? IR. R already है, so we getting the value of I. 100 ये इसके इंटू में सामना लेके डिवाइड में, सो आई स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 25, एंड 25 विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 5 स्क्वायर. सो फाइनली आई विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 5 एम्पियर. ओके स्टूडेंट, देन आफ्टर वी नो दैट वी इक्वल टू आई आर. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द आई? I will be equal of 5 ampere, and resistance will be equal of 4. 5 4s are 20 volt. Okay student, this is a final result for this numerical. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to heating effect of electric current. एक बार और समझ लीजिए. First one, H is a directly proportional of I square, then H is a directly proportional R, H is a directly proportional T. By use of the equation number first, second, third, we can write H square equal to I square RT. Proportional replaced by any constant K, and the value of K will be equal of 1 such that H equal to I square RT. Okay student, this is a final result for heating effect of electric current, but according to the numerical we have to calculate the value of V equal to IR. देखिए, मैंने सबसे पहले I निकाला, I को पुट करा तो मुझे V निकला. द SI unit of V, that means the potential will be equal of volt. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to this question. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of शांतिपनी हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल राजोदा. क्या करेंगे? वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे, फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करेंगे, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, एंड फाइनली स्टडी फ्रॉम आवर चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.